What the fuck is happening in here? I don't know what the heck is going on. I'm trying to make the one more Christmas video and I don't know what the hell is going on.
Get some take-along Kodak fun cameras in the Kmart camera department now.
As you mean, oh no, the stores are all only one floor. There's no, that's where an elevator in here because this was used to be a mall before. And there's no bar room on coming inside. What the heck? Alright, so there's the only Christmas tree just doing here. Please music, don't pop ring my phones. Oh my god. There's no fire alarm that's going off in here inside, well except for outside. Here's a gift card. One. Lowe's. Target. Xbox. Happy. Xbox again. And after that, Google Play. Big Lots. Christmas Lowe. eBay. And everybody else. Huh. Alright. Gotta talk over the music. Whoa. Got some nice cool Christmas spot. I'm gonna turn the camera off because I don't want to get the copyright strike. What the heck has happened to my Christmas? There only says Christmas socks. The Merry Christmas. It was 2 days ago. Here's another one. Alright guys. What am I doing here? Alright, this is gonna be short, but it's gonna be a quick video because we might have to get out of this building and not sure if there's a fire. I can hear it. That's it. Alright, time to get out of here before the fire broke in. I don't see that fire alarm going off. And the only was Lowe, but not the rest of the building. That's weird. Okay, I talked to the employees at the front, and she said that the fire alarm was going on yesterday. That's Christmas Day. It's still going off. I don't know what happened. Just gone off. So bad. What the heck is this? What happened? I want to go to the store. Fire. You guys do have a great Christmas Day. Thank you guys watching this video. Love this late Christmas. And now Christmas is over. Christmas, Lowe's, former Louisville Mall. Sorry, I can use this small name, but in Louisville, Kentucky. Like it, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll see you guys in the next 5.